iostudy.net.
Grammar rules for using the comparative 3, as, and than. So as you can see, we have 3 topics. First, as or so, as, the same as, and than me or than I am. So let's first look at as or so, as. We can use this in 3 instances. Positive, we don't use so as in positive sentences and questions. And negative. So positive, here are some examples. I'm sorry I'm late. I got here as fast as I could. And there's plenty of food. You can have as much as you like. Okay, so also, we don't use so as in positive sentences and in questions. Next, we have negative. For example, Tom isn't as or so old as he looks. And it's not warm, but it isn't as or so cold as yesterday. So as you can see, both of these are negative sentences. Now let's look at using the same as. Tom is the same age as George. And what would you like to drink? I'll have the same as you. So in both of these sentences, we're using the same as. Now let's go over to than me or than I am. We have than me, him, etc. and than I am. So let's see some examples for than me, him, etc. We use these when there is no verb. For example, you are taller than me. And I can't run as fast as him. Okay, so both of these are using than him and than me. So now let's go down to than I am. We use than I am when there is a verb. So for example, they have more money than we have. And the station wasn't as near as I thought. So in both of these sentences, we're using than I am when there is a verb. Okay, so here's your comparative 3, as, or than, mind map. You can come back to this for your reference at any time. Now let's click here to see the outline. So here is the outline for comparative 3, as, and than. So you can look through this, scroll through it, read through it to find further examples and more information about how to use these grammar rules. Then when you're finished with that, you can take the test. In the next video, we're going to take the test together. So thank you for joining me in this video where we learn the English grammar rules for comparative 3, as, and than. I'll see you in our next video. Goodbye!